show y'all the products that I use in my hair right after I come out of the shower, and I just let this air dry to about 70 to 85%, and then that's when I go in with my what do you call it, blow dry brush. But I'm about to show you guys how I put these products in my hair. So the first one that I'm gonna put in my hair, it's by the line Kenra, and this one is the Silkening Heat Cream. So I'm gonna put this all over my hair. I'm gonna split my hair into 2 sections, and then I'm just gonna put some of this in my hair, and then afterwards I'm gonna put my blow dry spray by Kenra. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna put this in my hair too, and then after I do the blow dry brush is when I'm gonna put this in my hair, which is the Silkening Gloss by Kenra. Everything looks pretty and all cute in their little metallic packaging. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And yeah, a little wet still, so oh no, but this is how long it is curly. So we're about to do 1, 2, 3, 4, because I have a lot of hair and I have thick hair, so 4 pumps. Take it on the ends, and it smells really good too. Smells super good, super good. So I'm gonna take most of that on the ends of my hair and just rub it in real good, real nice. And then I'm gonna take 4 more and put it in the other side. I think I figured out a good method, I think. So we gonna see. So I'm gonna put that in, make sure it's all in there, and then I just put whatever is left on the top and on my edges, kind of like blow dry spray. And then I'm gonna just spray this on each section like so. Not too much though, not too much, but get it in there. I think that's good. And then the other side. Now I don't do too much of this because you see how it made my hair like really shiny. I don't want my hair to be very oily and weighed down. I want it to be nice and flowy. So I don't use too much, but just a little bit. Oh, my hair is more dry. It doesn't look like it, but I promise it's dry a little bit. So I'm either about to go in with this blow dry brush from Revlon or this one. Obviously we can look and see the difference. This one's just wider, this one is smaller. This one is going to give you like a blowout kind of look. This one is just going to get the hair dry. If I use this one, it's going to give like the ends of my hair a little bit of curl. I don't want to use this one. I'm just going to use this one because I'm going for straight buzz down. That's what I'm going for. So I'm going to use this one, and then I might use this one like towards the top, but I'm not really sure yet. Either way, they basically almost do the same thing, so to each his own. I'm going to speed up this part because it might take a little bit and it's going to get very loud. So see ya. I'm going to pin up this one side to get it rocking. I found that if you wait till the hair is like 85 to 90% dry, the blow dry brush is going to work better. So section it in half, and then I'm going to section it again into like thirds, and then I'm going to clip this up, and then we about to get started. I need my headphones though, so I'm about to go get them. I'm gonna be right back. This is how we come in first. Okay guys, right here I'm just showing you guys the technique I used when I used the blow dry brush. So I just pull it away from my head just to get it as straight as possible, and I go over it however many times I need to just to get it as straight as possible. The goal for me when using the blow dry brush is to get my hair as straight as possible before even using the flat iron, so that when I do use the flat iron, that it's easy to just get 1 or 2 passes and then it's like silky straight. But yeah, as you see me right there, sometimes I use the 2 hands and I just twirl it, but that's the technique that I use. And yeah, it's great and it's easy, so I enjoy it. And that is how my hair turns out. That's just one side. In a second I'll show you what both sides look like, so stay tuned. Yeah, so I finished blow drying my hair. This is what it looks like. Like I showed y'all before, I timed it just to see how long doing one side of my hair was, and that only took about, I would say, 10 minutes. So in total it took me like 20 minutes to blow dry my hair, which is insane. It used to take me like an hour to blow dry my hair, but now, crazy. That's crazy. So fast, so fast, so good, so fast, so clean. But now we about to get into the straightening portion. The straightening portion. So I'm about to use some of the silkening gloss. Not too much, not a lot, because I want my hair to be flowy, nice and airy. So I'm only gonna put like 3 pumps, 4 pumps max, but 3 pumps of this, and then I'm gonna use my flat iron. Don't do too many passes. I do 2 max, and even 2 is pushing it, but I have really thick hair, so I feel like I know my hair. But this is the Babyliss flat iron. All the girlies have it. It's great, but any flat iron works. You don't have to get this one specifically, but this one is great. This one is great. This one is great. But I do chase my hair with a rat tail comb. I've seen people use a hard bristle brush, but just a rat tail comb works good for me. I just think that's personal preference, so whatever, you know, floats your boat. So I'm about to put some oil in there, silkening oil, flat iron it, 1 to 2 passes max. It's gonna be on 410 because, like I said, I have really thick hair. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna do some Kenra spray at the end. But yeah, we're almost done. Okay, now we are on the straightening portion. Like I said before, I use the chase method, and I just find this easiest for me, and it's worked so far. So like, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And yeah, I do a couple of passes at the root because that's where my hair is the curliest. And after I do those first couple of passes at the root, I go ahead and do 1 long pass with the comb to chase it. Now, like I said, I've heard some people use a hard bristle brush. I've never tried that before. Maybe it'll be something that I do, but I'm not really sure about that. I don't know how that works. I can't say to how that works because I've never done that. But the comb, the rat tail comb, does great for me. I have not had any problems, so yeah. But I was just extremely shocked by how good my hair turned out. Like, it looked like a jetpack bust down situation. Do you understand? Like, I was just shook. Like, my hair felt like silk. Okay, I mean, I know how to straighten my hair. I've been doing my own hair for years, but this right here, I don't know, something about this routine right here. You can see me, like, my hair. Yeah, anyways, I had never seen my hair look this good after a silk press, and I was like, maybe I got the magic touch. But I think altogether it's just everything that I did, and that was me doing the last piece. Now look at it. Look at it. Stiff hair. Stiff hair. Listen. And she's lasting. Like, I recorded this, what, a week ago? Hair still look good. So, if you haven't tried any of these tips, I would suggest trying some. And, yeah. I will see you guys in a second. That middle part, girl. I didn't think my hair was this long. Like, who is she? Who is this? Who's that girl? La 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 la. She's that girl. La 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 la. Okay. It's like right there. I didn't think my hair was that long. I guess it is. I guess. It really looks like silk. Like silk. This is what you call a silk press. This is a silk press. This is a silk press. Okay. Okay. This might be the best silk press I ever did. It's giving bust down jet black. It's giving bust down. Okay. I gotta relax. It's giving bust down jet black. That's what it's giving. Look at that. Ooh. 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 Okay. The best silk press ever that I've ever done is finished. This is the best silk press I've ever done. Ooh. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. I'm gonna wrap it in this right here. And tomorrow when I wake up, it's gonna be real nice, real fresh. I'm excited. So I'm gonna put this on, and then this is just regular bonnet over top. But thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and join the family, cause I did that. If I did that, you gotta subscribe and you gotta like the video. Okay, I'll see y'all later.